Lovelies, this is Megan, the creator behind Little Hot Tamale, and I'm here with a project share. This is a mini album tag flip, and I used my template that I created, and it's available in my Etsy shop. It also includes some of my other favorite templates in this set. Alright, so on to the project. So for the very first flip, I created a tag that is an envelope, and then inside the envelope it's just a little folder that you can put photos or journaling. And if you're wondering, the paper that I'm using is my Caturday set. Alright, so this is a handmade embellishment. It's just ribbon wrapped with thread, kind of like a tassel. The next one is a heart, and there's tulle on top with sequins in between the tulle and the paper. And this is just a little flip. You can place photos or journaling. This project's also great for pen pals. It'd be kind of fun just to send like a few pieces each time you send mail. Alright, so this is a giant ticket, and then on top I just sewed an image. I think this one's a 3x4, and then I cut it down to fit to size. Alright, this one's really fun. It's a nice shape. And to create the pocket, I just used vellum, and I sewed it all the way around. And then I have like a little bingo card, and then a place for a photo. And then the heart is placed on a cute little rosette that's flat with foam. Alright, this is a interactive tag. On the front, I just sewed a 3x4 card, but I actually cut it down just a little bit, and then you can open it. And that is it for this one. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to unleash your creativity. Until next time, toodles!